How to change custom soundtrack music in PES 2019 Smoke Patch. Welcome back to Teknobalta. During our investigation into Pro Evolution Soccer 2019 modified with Smoke Patch, our technical team discovered that the modification completely rewrites the default audio container files. This often locks players into the patch creator's playlist, preventing custom songs from playing in the menus. Today, we are sharing our exclusive deep dive troubleshooting guide to help you replace, configure, and fix your custom soundtracks safely. Step 1. Locate the root game directory. To begin our technical intervention, navigate to your primary Pro Evolution Soccer 2019 installation folder. You can easily find this by right-clicking your game shortcut and selecting Open File Location. Ensuring you are in the correct root directory is critical before altering any patch containers. Step 2. Access the download folder. Once you are inside the root directory, open the download folder. This specific folder houses all external CPK archives that Smoke Patch uses to inject custom assets into the game engine. Our testing confirmed that audio modifications are exclusively processed within this subdirectory. Step 3. Identify the Smoke Patch music container. Inside the download directory, scroll down until you locate the file named smkaddmusic.cpk. This specific CPK archive contains all the background music tracks bundled with Smoke Patch. Modifying or replacing this file is the core method for injecting your own soundtrack. Step 4. Create a security backup. Before making any changes, copy the smkaddmusic.cpk file and paste it into a safe backup folder on your desktop. Our technical team always enforces strict backup protocols, so you can instantly restore the original patch music if an archive corrupts. Never overwrite patch files without archiving the original first. Step 5. Acquire a compatible soundtrack package. The most reliable way to change your music is to download a precompiled Pro Evolution Soccer 2019 soundtrack package. During our diagnostics, we confirmed that using pre-built CPK sound packages eliminates container indexing errors. Make sure the package you choose is explicitly formatted for the 2019 engine build. Step 6. Rename the new audio archive. Once you have extracted your new music package, right-click the downloaded CPK file and rename it exactly to smkaddmusic.cpk. Correct naming syntax is vital because the Smoke Patch script is hard-coded to read that exact file name. Even a minor typo will cause the game to silently ignore your new music. Step 7. Overwrite the original music archive. Move your renamed smkaddmusic.cpk file directly into the game's download folder. When Windows prompts you, confirm that you want to replace the existing file in the destination. This successfully swaps out the Smoke Patch audio container with your custom playlist. Step 8. Clear old audio cache via SB Switcher. If your version of Smoke Patch includes the SB Switcher utility, launch the application as an administrator. Use the Switcher tool to clear or reset the background music settings before launching the game. Our analysis showed that this step flushes out lingering audio cache references from the previous soundtrack. Step 9. Launch the game in administrator mode. Start Pro Evolution Soccer 2019 by right-clicking the executable and selecting Run as Administrator. Elevating System Privileges ensures that the game engine can read the newly replaced CPK archive without Windows permissions blocking the audio stream. This simple step prevents silent menu glitches. Step 10. Navigate to the Options menu. Once the main title screen loads, use your controller or keyboard to open the top-level Options menu. From there, access the system settings where general game configurations are stored. This is where the engine allows players to manage individual audio tracks. Step 11. Open the soundtrack tracks configuration. Inside the Options menu, locate and select the track submenu. Our team found that Smoke Patch often resets track preferences when a new CPK container is initialized. You must enter this menu to verify how the engine is reading your new songs. Step 12. Verify track checkmarks. Carefully inspect the track list displayed on your screen and ensure that every new song has an active checkmark next to it. Our diagnostics revealed that newly imported soundtracks often default to a disabled or unchecked state. Manually enabling each track guarantees that they enter the background rotation. Step 13. Adjust menu audio volumes. While inside the sound options, verify that your background music volume slider is set to an audible level. Sometimes custom CPK files are mastered at lower decibel levels than default game audio. Raising the menu music volume compensates for any dynamic range discrepancies in custom soundtracks. Step 14. Inspect DpFileList configuration. If your custom songs still fail to play, open your DpFileList generator utility. Our technical investigation confirmed that third-party CPK files must be properly indexed within the DpFileList bin binary. Ensure smkaddmusic. CPK is checked and correctly positioned in your load order. Step 15. Regenerate the load order binary. After verifying your CPK list in the generator tool, click the Generate DpFileList bin button. This rewrites the configuration file so the Pro Evolution Soccer 2019 engine recognizes the updated byte size of your new music archive. Always run this tool if you manually swap archives outside of official patch installers. Step 16. Verify audio sample rates. If you compile your own custom music CPK, ensure your audio files are encoded at a 48000 Hz sample rate. Our lab testing proved that the ADX and HCA audio codecs used by the game engine will distort or mute tracks saved at 44100 Hz. Standardizing your WAV or MP3 files before conversion is critical for stability. Step 17. Convert tracks using PES Sound Studio. When building a manual playlist, use a verified conversion tool like PES Sound Studio to encode your tracks into HCA format. This ensures seamless looping and prevents memory buffer leaks during extended menu browsing. Proper codec formatting keeps the main menu interface responsive and lag-free. Step 18. Disable conflicting audio overlays. During our deep dive testing, we found that external overlay apps can capture or mute game audio channels. Disable third-party background media players and overlay interfaces before booting the game. This ensures the engine retains exclusive control over your Windows audio endpoint. Step 19. Execute an integrity verification. If you experience persistent crashes after replacing the music archive, your downloaded CPK package may be corrupted. Restore your backed up smkaddmusic CPK file to verify that the base patch still operates correctly. Testing against the security backup isolates whether the problem lies within the new audio archive. Step 20. Final playlist confirmation. Once all settings are configured, return to the main Football Hub and let the menu idle for several minutes. Confirm that the engine cleanly transitions from one custom track to the next without audio popping or skipping. Your smoke patch installation is now fully customized with your personal soundtrack. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.